Guard cats are on duty. Alrighty, welcome to the shop. We got a project today and we'll get right to that. Hello everyone, sorry. Welcome to Ed's Metalworks. Like I said, and if you saw the little walk to the shop this morning, we've had a bunch of snow here. Well, not a bunch, I guess. Well, the forecast said 9 inches, but we had 2 days of wind blowing 90 mile an hour too. I don't know what it was, 20, 30 mile an hour gusts probably. So we had a lot of drifts in places. But anyway, all the snow removal equipment's been out and about, working hard this past week. So anyway, we got a little job because of that. Here's what we got today. I think these are, it's a pickup truck snowplow, but I just think these are extensions that you must just give you a foot in width. I don't really know the purpose of them, but other than make them a foot wider, make the plow a foot wider on each side, 2 foot wider altogether, I guess. But anyway, these whatever these are, they're kind of some kind of material like rubber almost, but anyway, broke it off big time over here. This one actually sheared the metal there. But anyway, we got both sides affected. I got this one, I got the skin peeled off of this one. The plastic skin. Here's a look at that piece of material. That stuff's, shoot, it's an 1.25 inches thick. But I tried center punch it to mark it. Hell, you can't even center punch it. Can't even see the center punch. It dimples, but it fills right back up, whatever it is. So that's why I got my tape on there to mark my spot where everything goes back together here. See, I got a dimple on the A there, but anyway, what we're gonna do here, we got this cleaned up a little bit. We're going to get this tacked on here in what I think is the approximate location. Then we're probably gonna check it for, put that little black piece on here and check it to see if the angle and everything is right. And then we'll probably groove this out a little bit and get a good weld on it. And then probably put a gusset in this area here somewhere, kind of maybe match something like this that's up here. This was, you can't see it on this side, but this piece wasn't continuously welded down this weld here anyway, so over time it probably gave up the ghost, but we'll try to do it the best we can. I told that guy if that broke that steel like that, I don't know that any weld would hold it. I don't really know what he hit or the, like I said, the purpose of these wings, but anyway, we'll get going on this and get her tacked together and see how the fitment is. All right, we'll turn the welder on here and get this tacked together. we can get it fit up there where it looks like it was. Put a couple tacks on here. Boy, that powder coating or whatever's on there, I might have to clean that off good. It don't weld worth a damn. Anyway, we got stuck on there now. I think we'll turn it over and try to set that wing thing on there and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's how it fits on there somehow. I don't know. Can't really tell if this is supposed to be straight out here, or kind of assuming it is supposed to be. Yeah, I'm assuming that's got to be straight. I think what it's going to take, we're going to have to get it welded on there, then maybe heat it, straighten it out. Now maybe I'll go put it in the press once and see if I can get it straightened out before we weld it. I'll have to break them tacks on there. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, what we want to do, I think, is keep a straight line between here and the broke off part. So I clamped this little plate on here to give me that straight line. But anyway, I heat this corner up with a torch and got it fairly straight. But I got a bow in it now. Let's go back to the press and we'll take that bow out. You can kind of see it in there. I'll try to take that bow out anyway. Try Try to get it as straight as we can. It probably never will be the same, but might press back here. It might be a little bit dark back here, but all right. I don't know where I can set you up here. Give me a little shot right here, I guess. Okay, we got a bow here, so we'll try to put our a little at a time here. Let me look. That don't look too bad. I think we'll call that good. This is a little, I think I've shown this before, a little 12-ton homemade press here out of 4-inch channel iron. But all right, let's go back in here in the warm side and see if this thing's gonna fit better. It's funny how you think it's just broken off, but it's all been out of shape. I kind of suspected that it was bent because most of this stuff bends before it breaks, put it that way. That don't look too bad. I think we'll fly with that. Get her welded on there, and like I said, we're on the back side here. We're probably going to put a gusset of some kind. But now that thing will bolt on here flatter and follow this curve down around here, I guess. All right, we'll get the welder going again, get that tacked on there. Get a ground on this. Looks like we might have one. Eyeballs. Yeah, it sits down a lot flatter on there now. Even this piece is bent. We'll have to Give that a little straighten out. Alrighty, I think we're gonna weld her up. Got some good tacks on that side. We'll flip it over and the other side. This thing is heavy. There you can see what we got to work with here. And then I gusset here somewhere maybe. We'll see. That works for a ground. Eyeball. Nope. No ground. Backing into this pipe like before. that powder coating. Bad shit. Excuse me, bad stuff. A lot of porosity in that because of that powder coating. Jesus. Well, we got the other side welded up with no help from that powder coating. Now we're gonna take and groove this out a little bit over here. All right, got us a good spot here. All right, eyeball. like we maintained our pretty straight edge across here. What we wanted. Alright, now we'll flip it over and, well, we'll buff this up a little bit. We'll flip it over and make us a gusset for that other side. Alrighty, we got our gusset made here. Still a little hot, but anyway, we're going to line up with this. Ooh, that is hot. We're going to line up with excuse me, I got to put a glove on here. We're going to line up with this gusset behind here, like so, and we'll round these corners off once we get her welded in there. But all I did is make a little cardboard template of what I needed, and then I cut it out of some 2-inch bar stock I had laying around. I got the other one marked out here, ready to cut. All right, we'll get this one welded on here and maybe call this job good here. Running out of batteries, so. Okay, we got one of them done. All put back together. You see the gusset we put on there? We sprayed a little black Rust-Oleum on there, but everything bolted up pretty good after we got that plate straightened out in the press back there. But oh, sorry, that's heavy. But it seems to follow the sweep of this plow wing. But we got one more to do. It actually ripped that metal, so it'll be pretty much the same process. I'm not going to film this one, but you can see from this one the crack in there. Looks like they've been cracked, maybe cracked for a while, and finally gave up the ghost on that deal. But anyway, thank you for joining along on this, and it's it was a good little project. It took about 3 hours to do that one, so we'll hope we can go a little faster on the second one. Thanks for watching Ed's Metalwork. Give me a thumbs up and comment if you want. We'll see you on the next one.